Assalamu alaikum. Do you want to practice your English practically? Then watch this video till the end. Then you can understand how I practice my English practically, and you also practice your English like this way. So let's get started. Right now I can say I'm thirsty because after having after having lunch, I'm so much thirsty. I need water. So I want to drink water. Well, as you can see, this is a shelf. Yes, this is a shelf, and on the shelf there are lots of bottles of water, and I'd like to take this bottle. Okay, I'm taking this bottle, and these bottles water I'd like to drink. Okay, well, this is a bottle of water, and I'm gonna drink this water to fulfill my thirsty. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Well, after drinking water, you have to say Alhamdulillah.